NCC Meghalaya characterizes the rich cultural heritage, unity and diversity, the vibrant spirit of the youth of Meghalaya. The state of Meghalaya has approximately 11,078 NCC cadets spread in all the 12 districts. It highlights the vital role of the National Cadet Corps in the northeastern region in fostering discipline, leadership, and community service amongst the youth. The center portion of the tableau showcases the NCC cadets' achievements in Meghalaya in various activities, their dedication, patriotism, and excellence. The message, unity and discipline, resonates as the driving force of the NCC's contribution to the nation. The NCC provides its cadets a unique opportunity to represent India on the international platform. In the middle is Lieutenant Badap Nongse, Associate NCC Officer. She was awarded the prestigious trophy at OTA Gwalior for the Best NCC Officer. To the left are the NCC cadets in tracksuits who have competed in the arm wrestling in Moldova and the Meghalaya Games, winning gold, silver, bronze in shooting and wrestling competitions.
Next in the lineup, we have the Tableau from the District Commerce and Industries Centre, Shillong. The Office of the General Manager, District Commerce and Industries Centre, Shillong, presents a tableau on PM Vishwakarma scheme. The tableau depicts how PM Vishwakarma scheme can bring about a qualitative shift in the way occupations are practiced by artisans by bridging the gap between where you are and where you can be through the various benefits and support of the scheme, which consequently add up in uplifting the livelihood and quality of life of artisans and craftsperson. Firstly, artisans registered under the scheme are recognized as Vishwakarmas through certificates and ID cards, after which the traditional skill sets of artisans are further enhanced through skill upgradation, training, making them more proficient in their trades.
Next in the lineup of the tableaus is from the Meghalaya Tourism Department. The Meghalaya Tourism Department's Republic Day Parade tableau is designed to captivate the audience with a stunning display of the state's natural beauty, cultural richness, and progressive tourism initiatives. The main features of the tableau are the iconic Living Root Bridge, the clouds and waterfalls, the live subjects, which are the children. Two children have been dressed in traditional attire, adding a human touch to the display, reflecting Meghalaya's warm, hospitable and vibrant culture, echoing the genuine connections that visitors can expect to find within the community. And lastly, the tourism vehicle scheme and the Meghalaya grassroots music project. The Meghalaya Tourism Department's Republic Day tableau highlights the state's natural beauty, the cultural richness and the tourism initiatives.
Meghalaya, the land of lords, tell your story so they will know. Meghalaya, where clouds come home. This is how the world shall know. I will go where the river flows. I will stay where the sunset glows.
Next in the lineup, we have the tableau from the Meghalaya Basin Development Agency. The Meghalaya Basin Development Agency is the nodal agency incorporated under the Planning Department of the Government of Meghalaya, engaged in the implementation of various developmental projects that focus on natural resource management, access to finance, livelihoods, enterprises, agricultural practices, and market linkages. Meghalaya Livelihood and Access to Market Project, popularly known as MLAM, is one of the external projects implemented by MBDA, funded by IFAD, by incorporating components in 200 villages across 4 blocks, Mauplang, Soyong, Kharashnong Latkro, and Shela Bholagan blocks.
Next in the lineup is the tableau being presented by the Office of the District Animal Husbandry and Veterinary Officer, with the theme being piggery farming, empowering the youth, enriching communities. Meghalaya, known for its rich natural resources, culture and climatic conditions, creates a vast potential for livestock development. Among the various farming activities, piggery farming stands out as a lucrative employment opportunity for the rural and urban youth. Next in the lineup is the Office of the Divisional Forest Officer, Social Forestry Division, with the promotion of agarwood in Meghalaya. Agarwood is a fragrant, resinous wood that comes from the Aquilaria tree. In India, it grows mainly in the northeastern states, North West Bengal, as well as in some southern states like Karnataka, Kerala, and Goa. Some of its uses are for religious and spiritual purposes, medicinal purposes, perfume, cosmetics, ornamental values. The next tableau is from the Social Welfare Department. The Beti Bachao Beti Padhao scheme was launched on the 22nd of January 2015 to address the issue of decline in the child sex ratio in the country, along with related issues of empowerment of girls and women. The aims and objectives: improving the sex ratio at birth, improvement in percentages of institutional deliveries, and to check the dropout rate of girls at secondary and higher secondary levels. In Meghalaya, the Beti Bachao Beti Padhao was implemented in Ribhoi district since 2015 and in East Khasi Hills in the year 2018. And in 23, the Ministry of Women and Child Development has extended the scheme to all districts under Mission Shakti.
Next in the lineup, we have the tableau from the Soil and Water Conservation Department under the theme of Jal Shakti Abhiyan, Catch the Rain, a commitment to sustainable water management. Water is crucial for sustaining life on earth, yet it is often overlooked. To address water scarcity and mismanagement, the District Administration East Khasi Hills District, along with all other water-related departments, has launched the Jal Shakti Abhiyan program. This initiative focuses on water conservation and sustainable usages through the Catch the Rain campaign, which emphasizes on water conservation by encouraging rainwater harvesting, watershed management, and the restoration of the traditional water bodies. The initiative is further supported by the Jal Shakti Kendra in the Office of the Deputy Commissioner East Khasi Hills District, which provides technical guidance and knowledge sharing to local authorities, helping communities access vital information and resources to adopt better water management practices, ensuring long-term sustainability.
Next in the lineup of the tableaus is that from the Office of the District Horticulture Officer and District Agriculture Officer. The theme being Pollinator Power, Protecting the Bees for a Sustainable Future. Bees, being one of nature's most intricate creations, play a critical role in maintaining the balance of our ecosystems, not only in agriculture, but in our health and economy as well. Apiculture goes beyond honey production. It is vital for pollination, biodiversity, and creation of valuable products like beeswax and propolis. The Office of the District Agriculture Officer and District Horticulture Officer East Khasi Hills is committed to promoting sustainable beekeeping practices that benefit farmers, local industries, and the environment. By embracing the power of the bees, we can ensure a prosperous, sustainable future for agriculture and beyond.
Next in the lineup, we have the Tableau from the Meghalaya State Skill Development Society. This year's Republic Day celebration, the Tableau is designed to showcase the contributions and achievements of the Government of Meghalaya through the Meghalaya State Skill Development Society in delivering top-tier skill development initiatives to the people of Meghalaya. The theme of the Tableau is Overseas Placement. MSSDS aims to meet the aspirations of a modern, dynamic and competitive workforce. It also highlights a skilled ecosystem that is evolving, ultimately contributing to significant remittances for the state. MSSDS is collaborating with various agencies to provide young professionals with opportunities to work in countries such as the United Kingdom, Germany, Austria, Canada, Israel, and Saudi Arabia. These opportunities span job roles in healthcare, hospitality, construction, and IT.
Last but not the least, we have the tableau from the Office of the District Medical and Health Officer, East Khasi Hills District, Shillong. Presenting the Health Department's tableau for the Republic Day 2025 with the theme, Actions Have Consequences, You Get What You Give. This tableau is presented by the Office of the DMHO East Khasi Hills, highlighting the importance of preventing early detection of non-communicable diseases which account for 74% of the global deaths according to the World Health Organization. Non-communicable diseases are known as chronic diseases which include heart diseases, stroke, cancer, chronic respiratory diseases and diabetes, which can be managed with early detection and treatment. However, individuals with NCDs often remain unaware of their condition until it's too late, as symptoms may not appear until many years after exposure to risk factors such as tobacco use, excessive alcohol consumption, unhealthy diet, chronic stress, sedentary lifestyle, and poor sleep habits. As the theme suggests, our actions and dietary choices have a profound impact on our overall health. The tableau features Hippocrates, the father of medicine, holding a scale with the 10 rules for prevention, early diagnosis, and management of non-communicable diseases. By adopting healthy lifestyle choices and undergoing regular health screenings, individuals can reduce the risk of NCDs, increasing their life expectancy and leading a wholesome, healthy life to its fullest. Ladies and gentlemen, can we support the tableau displays by the departments with a loud round of applause? As part of the Republic Day celebrations, we are proud to announce the recipients of various awards and medals in this year's Republic Day. First among the awards is the Meghalaya Day Awards.